Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normally say shall never end. See, about this EndSARS that is coming up, or the protest that is coming up on August 1st. See, let me tell you something. Do you really think that everything is all about the protest, and after the protest, your prayers will be answered, or after the protest, the leaders, they will start to change? Anyways, I don't really want to talk too much. Our brother just expatiate on everything the way you will understand it more better. Follow this our brother traveling vlog. Is doing a lot. Now listen to what he said, and I'll be right back.
I just want to quickly talk about the protests, upcoming national protests. It's been trending on social media that the Nigerian citizens want to go into national protests. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that we should not protest. Do you understand me? I'm not going to sit here and say, oh, people should not go to protest in Nigeria. I'm not going to sit down and say that, but I have different orientation. We've been protesting, it's not working. I'm going to tell you one thing. I realize that the government does not have fear. I'm going to tell you something. Any country where their government they fear the citizens, the protest means nothing to them. Remember the Lekki protests, EndSARS, where the government pick up weapon and just, until today, nobody is held responsible. You see, to me, I repeat, I'm not saying people should not protest, but to me, protest will not solve this problem. No, but it could start the revolution that we really wanted. But the government does not value you. Remember what happened in Lekki? Remember how Tinubu got into power? You never voted Tinubu, but he's there now, and there's nothing you can do about it. You feel me? You know, Yoruba, they talk one thing, Onokan Waja, means not be one road, they enter market. Me, I stand for Biafra, I stand for division of the country. That's what I stand for. That does not mean that I will say people that want to protest and still want, and everybody know how they feel. It's not necessary that you should believe that the country should be divided. But this is what I believe, and I stand by it from now till tomorrow. I still believe that there's no government that will come to that contraction and fix things. No, the corruption is overwhelming the country. Kenya, wake una up, Abi. Kenya is still protesting till today. The Kenyan youth are still protesting, and the government is, yeah, they are using the weapon against them, and they keep going. They keep going. I hope when you people begin the protest and the government begin to use the weapon that are supposed to be used to guide you and begin to use it against you, I hope you're still going to stand still, just like people in Kenya. Kenya is not Nigeria. We have many languages more than the Kenyan people. So I don't think what worked for Kenya will work for you, and it's not working for Kenya yet. I beg, make una no vex, so make una no talk say my mouth they smell. Now my own analysis they use here, like, your government does not respect you. Do you know that the president of Kenya came to Twitter X to interact with the youth? The youth begin to ask him questions and he begin to answer. That was 2 weeks ago, if not 3 weeks ago. Can your government do that? They can't. Nigeria is so deep into corruption that we just talk and talk. I'm going to clap for you guys for bringing it up. I'm going to clap for the idea that they want to protest towards end of the month. It's cool. But is it going to work? Maybe that's the revolution that will bring the division of the country. Maybe. I can't really say. I'm naive. I am naive, and I'm worried about the youth. Everybody is tired, and everybody is even ready to die. Everybody is even ready. Let me tell you something. If you really, really want to go into revolution, go and mark all the social media influencers who is supporting the government, just like the Kenyan did. I repeat, I'm not going to sit here and tell you like every other people that don't go into protest. But remember, the government is going to use propaganda against you. Government is going to buy people on social media against you. Government is going to use the social media influencers or whatever they call them against you. But if you're getting prepared, make sure you carry pen and paper. Any social media influencer who calls himself a Nigerian, who is against your protests and come on social media and begin to say, oh, why are you protesting? Directly or indirectly talking against you, mark them. Mark them, make una find them, go anywhere where they live. May they pack their load, come up for that country. Abi una no hear wetin I dey talk. Just like they did during this NSAS. They did. Your government is not afraid of you, brothers. That's the end of Nigeria. Any country where they know they fear, they don't fear the workers who try to protest. If you want to protest, they use money to close their mouth. That country no go grow now. You no go grow. They fear. The government has supposed to fear the people. They're supposed to fear you. Whenever you say you want to protest, they're supposed to be questioned. Why are you protesting? Okay, we are going to fix it. We are going to, but they know they fear you now. Anybody, even if they like, they buy like 100 people, nothing will happen. Nobody will be held responsible. Yahaya Bello stole billions of money. EFCC was all over the place. Yahaya Bello, if I don't arrest that Yahaya Bello, I'm going to resign. They bribe him off. He never resigned, and Yahaya Bello is walking around. Nobody's holding responsible. A country is known by the leadership. What are you known for? What is your president known for? You know, I'm not going to tell you. Dangote, Nigeria, problem there, brothers. My brothers and sisters, there is a problem you don't know. Something is going on underneath. They keep, when you are quiet, they keep, you don't understand. There's a lot going on because they are not afraid of you because you're quiet. I'll give you an example. If somebody come out here now and pick up my phone and slap me, he go away with the phone and I keep quiet. He's going to come back and pick up this bottle because I didn't say nothing. And he's going to slap me again because I'm quiet. He will going to come back again and search my pocket to find what, because I'm quiet. But if it comes, I fight back. He will never come back again. He blow me one, I blow him two. He will never come back. What is happening is because we have kept quiet for so long. I'm going to tell you, Dangote, I don't used to like Dangote. And I don't think I still like Dangote, but I'm going to tell the truth about it. Even though some elite, or let me say probably about 70% of those elites have share in Dangote's properties or business. Out of more than 40 to 20 people they give license, they're supposed to give license. Everybody apply for refinery license. Don't think Dangote is richest in Nigeria. No. We have some Igbo businessmen who are rich. Trust me. Some of them are abroad. They are just... Do you think Dangote is richer than that Igbo man we get airport for London? You know how much way they make? About more than 20 people to 40 applied for refinery, to build refinery. Only one person was given license. When I don't hear this anywhere, no, you've never heard anywhere. Only Dangote was given license. Fine. Fast forward, I don't want to talk about the currency, how they manipulate, take your money from the central bank and help Dangote to build, and the problem that are on that. I don't want to discuss that. Fast forward, Dangote don't build refinery finish. Why should Dangote be struggling to get crude oil to refine? Ask yourself that question. For the past month, Dangote refinery is ready, but Dangote cannot get crude oil right at the backyard to refine your oil. Baba, they don't kill that Nigerian finish. If Dangote is refining oil, taking the oil from the backyard and refine, the oil go dey cheap. Those where they import oil, the Dangote go spoil business for them. If you don't hear broken English, I'm sorry. I'm not here to speak grammar. I'm telling you the reason why you're suffering today in that country. There are a lot of things going underneath you will never understand until somebody analyzes it to you. Dangote has finished building the refinery. The elite who are importing fuel, they take the crude oil, take it outside, buy from the Oyibo people where they sell and give. Now they are trading. It's not as if they are the one taking the Oyibo people where Buhari don't sell una crude oil. They don't sell the oil field for 10, 15 years. China go there. A lot of countries are there. They keep borrowing money until they use it as a collateral. Go and milk for some certain years. Right now, you have no right on your crude oil. I'm telling you now. No, they look my face where they like frog on. I they tell you the truth where you know go fit see for media in Nigeria. They have sold, Buhari have sold it. They use them as cola. Now, Dangote is supposed to be having a crude oil from the backyard so that it's going to sell the oil cheap to you. It's a threat right now to them. Dangote is a threat to them. Like, no. There's no oil for Dangote. Dangote is now lobbying to buy oil in America. Oh, these people don't understand what I'm saying. I don't think these guys understand the English that is coming out of my mouth, man. You guys don't understand the English that is coming out of my mouth. Let me take a sip. I repeat, the reason why you all are suffering and things are skyrocketing is because the way how much they are selling the fuel is okay for them. You can cry all you want. Fuel is gonna. They don't want to try. They keep getting rich while you keep suffering. The poor masses are used as a ladder to success. Have you ever heard that before? Yes. In every aspect of life, the poor are used as a ladder to success. When you are sick, the doctors use you as a ladder of success because you are sick. They keep collecting your money, and that's how it goes. In your church, your pastor will ask you to pay tithe. You are poor, but they're asking you to pay tithe that God needs money, and you are being used as a ladder to success. The fuel importer are using you as a ladder to success. This goes on and on. Dangote is not my favorite, but I've seen what is going on. They even want to burn in. Did you see the fire? Sorry for the interruption. I think it's the network. I'm trying to. Now, let us fast forward back to what I was saying. The reason why Dangote is not giving crude oil to refine is because it's going to bring the price down. It's not going to sell the same price as people who are importing. You see, why wouldn't Dangote be giving oil from there? Okay, refine. If you really care about the people, let's give it a try. Why don't give him a try? Let us see. They don't want to. So Dangote has to. America will not get oil low. Now Dangote they go to buy oil. That means they want to sell the same. God. Will you buy? I mean, I don't understand why Dangote should buy crude oil from outside. Guys, come on. I think I'm sick. Why talking this? I never loved Dangote. I'm going to say it again. Dangote is used as a monopoly. How can one man be importing and exporting? No. One man. Now they export once certain things that Dangote is exporting. Our leaders don't like us, so seriously they don't. And they are using tribalism. They are using tribalism and religion. What I'm going to say is, if you really want, me now, Igbo people have to give advice now. I want to give Igbo people advice. Whether you support, what's his name? What's this man who contested for election? What's the name of this man? Come on, my head is cracking now. Obi. Whether you are supporting Obi, whether you are supporting one Nigeria, I'm talking to the Igbo or Southeasterners, especially our Igbo people that we are being suppressed by Nigeria. You are on your own if you come out to protest with those people. You are on your own. I'm not saying people should not protest. If you hear "pa," make you know say you never die. When you hear a gunshot, "pa," when I see Donald Trump, as Donald Trump hear that "pa," I be saying no "pa." If you don't hear that, not down, you go there. Now so it be. If you hear "pa," make you know say gun never meet you. You never "pa." Person where gun meet, not they hear "pa." You will never hear when it comes. It's only on your down. You go down straight. That's how it works. But if you hear "pa," make you know say never meet you. Run for cover. Because your government does not care about you. Because they have no fear. Because we are the boss. You are the boss. Now reverse is the case. This work where they do here. we they fear the citizen well. Are they work now Israel I did now? Oga. I know say na street I did. Those my Oga. When they see something for their domot, we be saying na dirty. Now something where they put for their domot, where we supposed to speak. If some of them they go take picture, send them to computer. They run like mad people. When you go there, if it be one small thing where they there, now you go pick. Yesterday, make I tell you now. Yesterday, when my supervisor called me, he said, "Solomon, where are you?" I tell him, "Say I dey here." When he come pick me, we can't go where they send something for computer. Now so all of us dey inside motor. We they drive, they go up and I can't tell they say, wait. Reverse back small. If it be this thing, now him they say make we pick. Slaker. Yeah. So if it be this thing where they say make we say the guy can't say no be him, he can't go front. Later he can't check the phone. He can't see say that thing. He said these people are mad. He said, you see the people? He said we must respect the people because they are the taxpayers. Otherwise they go come out our Oga for office. If you go come out for job, he will be supervisor. When Oga send that message, will be sent out for computer day. Oga, you go leave the one where they do. Go carry that for ordinary dog shit. Make I not talk this one. When I go think say maybe I just the lie. Ordinary dog shit. Person go in dog go shit. Instead where you go pick that dog shit. Instead where you go pick that dog shit because the government say no, if your dog shit make you carry up. Now in dog shit oh, you go come take picture, send them to office for inside the government this thing. We go they run like madman because respect they say now them put una for power, now them put them for power, now them put them for that office. If election come, you know do where they go they tell everything. No mind that guy. You remember you see the picture I send them. You see say I report like 3 times. They no go carry the dog shit. They no go vote for them because nothing make them they respect them. Me when we say I come from Mugu country, me I go they look say why waiting be this one. One day I did interact with my Oga. When I send me message, waiting be the cause of run up and down. He said they are the one who put us here, so we get to do what they want. You see, your country they don't value you. They value the people. The people are the power. And their people are the one paying their money, the salary. They pay my salary. I'm going to shock you one thing. Sometimes I complain too much about my job. One day, one of our Oga talk say, you the crazy, why are you complaining? If they don't make that, you don't go sell. You don't go make money, no employment for us. Get out of here, man. And it makes sense to me, like, okay, there will be no job creation. Let them throw the dirty for outside. Now, heavy the cocoa. complain. You do. When the hours come, you go home. But we must show them, say we did try. You got what I'm saying? When you respect them, they respect you back. When the time of election comes, they put you back on the seat that you are doing well. Period. And your government don't respect you. You don't have power to fight. They use the weapon against you. And come on, your tax-paying money. And many of you don't even know you are a taxpayer. Many Nigerians don't know say they be taxpayer. You pay the tax of Dangote. If you buy cement, you don't need to have a company to pay tax. You are a taxpayer. When you visit the hospital, when you buy drugs, when you buy food, when you buy clothes, you are all paying tax. Directly tax, because the tax where they also that clearance where they clear them for seaport. Now the end users, now then they pay. Dangote doesn't pay those tax when he import the tax. Where they tax Dangote? Dangote take instead of him to sell this for 1 naira, he's going to sell it 200 naira. You pay the tax, not Dangote. You make the rich to be richer, and you get poorer. Get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. I can go. My advice to the Igbo people is don't follow them to protest. If you are in Lagos, stay in your house to avoid being no go to your grave, early grave. I'm not saying people should not protest, but if you think you are good to the tax, fine, it's okay. But to me, my advice is I don't think that the protest will do. What are you protesting for? Tell me, what are you protesting for? You want Tinubu to go. You want the fuel to come down. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. The simple thing is let them divide the country. Let everybody go and answer their father name. I stand by it, and I still stand by it today. If Nigeria is still the way it is until I go to my grave, I will stand by what I say. You see, money does not change me. I don't know how much you're going to give me. If you tell me, say you won't give me the whole of Abuja, I don't know the business way person go call me. No, even come my side, I no go agree. I prefer make I die poor than for you. Not everybody want to be flashy. I don't care about private jet. I don't care about your limousine. Whatever. Yeah, I like it. Instead where I go buy aeroplane, I go build one room, give people for my village. People they suffer for my village now. There are people suffering in my village. If I have the money now, first thing where I go think, we say okay, I'll go to my village, go they look for old women. Say okay, this woman they live in a mud house. Okay. I go build one room and toilet, see room, see toilet. It's okay. I rather spend the money I'm building, or maybe I go build one estate, small house, small. Pack all of them, come put there. Say, Mama, paint them. Where Mama go to sit for better toilet, you go sweet them. You go to pray for me. Private jet for where? Private jet where we say, you know how much they pay in parking alone, the fuel, the pilot. Do you know how much they use in fixing limousine? Yeah, if God bless me to that extent, I don't know. I'm a human, but nobody can buy me with material things. I don't think so. As a human, but I don't think so. That's why I say I don't think so. It's going to be hard for you to buy me. Yeah. It's going to be hard. You know. Well, thank you very much, guys. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Take care of yourself. The weather is hot. I'm so exhausted right now. I'm drinking cool water. It's not even enough. I can't even remove my clothes. You see, as I talk, the old man waited there tell me, say, see, I know they feel hot. So make I calm down. It's too hot. You don't know what they do me. In way we say, government, they take care of him. They take him medicine when he needs. They pay him pension. My uncle don't die. They pay him 7,000. I like now a teacher, a retired principal. Now they pay 7,000 naira. You know, even rich and to buy him medicine. I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you very much. Peace. David, Festus, Danny, I greet everybody. Please, I'm feeling so hot. I beg, let me go. I'll have to drink more water. Let me go to the supermarket and take the air condition right there. God bless you. I'll see you once again. My name is Solomon. You can check me on Facebook. Oh, this is my Facebook. Okay. You can check me on TikTok, Travels Vlog. Check me on Twitter, Travels_vlog. Travels_vlog on Twitter. Then you can check me on TikTok Travels. YouTube, now my papa name, 90 for YouTube, Solomon Okereke Vlog. So I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Peace.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.